Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I've got an unboxing for you guys and it is my BeautyFix subscription box by Dermstore. And here it is right here. It comes shipped like this in this box. I've been getting this BeautyFix box for almost a year, I think in a couple months, so about 10 months I believe. And I've really enjoyed getting this box. It is a good way to try on new products for your face, for your skin, for your hair, to see if you like it or not. And they come in sample sizes, deluxe sample sizes. You know, if it's a dud, you don't have to worry about returning it back. And since I live an hour away from a town, you know, it takes me a while to get back up there to return it. And then by then, maybe it's too late to return it. So I really do enjoy getting this subscription box. When you buy the subscription, it costs $24.95 and it's per month. And if you want the box for just that 1 month without getting the subscription, it costs $34.95. But the month that we're in, you can get it. And the products you get in here are things, makeup, skincare, hair care, maybe some dietary supplements. I've gotten that before. There's at least 6 products in here, and one of those products is a full-size product that costs more than the subscription box. That will cost more than $24.95. And I like to be surprised when I get this box. You know, it's like a present getting it every month, you know? So I'll typically watch my YouTuber friends, their unboxings after I do mine. But if you're thinking about getting this box, it's always good to see what products you get in the previous months, because that's what I did, to see if it's worth it. And for me, I think it's worth it. I am not sponsored by them. This is with my own money. I purchased this with my own money. All right, let's get to open it. You think after all the time I've been getting it, it'd be easier to open. But no. All right, here it is right here. Okay, this time I don't have a card that goes with it. I don't see the card. There's usually a card that tells you the products that are in here. But I do see one product in here that's my favorite. And let me grab that one first. Yeah, there's no card. Okay. Come on, Dermstore. Now this here's my absolute favorite. This is the Sol de Janeiro, the Brazilian. It says Bum Bum Cream, but I looked on their website and they pronounce it Boom Boom Cream. I think it's funner saying Boom Boom. But this smells wonderful. This is a nice travel size right here. Oh my gosh, you could smell that pistachio in there, and oh, it just smells so good. I love this. I have the shower gel, and I have the body scrub, and I have the body cream in the full size. So yay! Score on this one. I just wish they had the card here so I could see the theme of the month. But let's see if we can figure that out. This is when I need my glasses. So this is Juliet Has a Gun in Moscow Mule. And here's a perfume right here. Now to give you a little history, I'm not a perfume wearer kind of gal. I like the smell of my shower gel, my shower cream, and the cleanness of it. I don't know, perfume for me just kind of gives me a headache. So this one I'll probably give away to a family. But let's see what it smells like here. Let me spray it on the box. Oh, spray. Yeah. Okay, I do have to admit this is not my favorite scent. No. Okay, but that's okay. Sometimes there are products in here that you don't like. But most of the time, there are products that you tried before or that you haven't tried before and you like. But again, perfume is not my thing, so this one is an for me. Let me put some body cream all over my arm here. Yes, now that is the scent I love. Okay, next here, this is by Dermalogica. This is the Biolumin C Serum. It says here, brighter skin from within. High-performance serum enhances skin natural defense system to brighten, firm, and help dramatically reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I love a good vitamin C serum. I really do. And here it is right here. A nice little sample size right here. This is Jane Airedale, the Lip Drink Lip Balm. Right here. Cute little travel-friendly lip balm right here. Oh, but here's the shade right here. Let me swatch that for you. It's a real pretty nudie pink. Okay, yeah, this is a balm because it's not very pigmented. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Yeah, this is a nice balm for a natural look if you like, especially for my skin tone. All right, this one right here is by ShaveWorks and it's called the Cool Fix. This treats ingrown hairs, razor bumps, razor burns, and redness. All right, this is good. You know, in summertime we do shave a little bit more, at least I do. So this will be a nice addition here to try. All right, we've got here the Caviar Anti-Aging Anti-Freeze Blowout Butter for medium to thick hair. All right, this is a nice product to try. I'd like to try that for my hair. Oh, this I believe is the full size. This is by Color Science. This is the Brush On Sunscreen. I've seen this on their website, and this has an SPF of 50. All right, that's good. All right, here it is right here. There's powder in there in the bottom right there. Okay, you open it up, and then you just pull that down, and there is a brush. So, okay, I wonder how you figured this thing out. Okay, it says here on the box that this is Natural Beauty Begins with Protected Sun. The Sunforgettable Brush On Sunscreen offers powerful SPF 50, and you can use this alone or over makeup. And it says to sweep generously and evenly on the skin prior to sun exposure, and reapply at least every 2 hours. So it says to just sweep across the face, and you've got your sunscreen with a powder. That is so cool. Okay, let me put it right here. I think that's how you do it. Okay, this will be interesting to try. This will be really interesting to try, and I hope I'm applying this on right. So we'll see. We'll see. Let me see if it comes in a color. Does it? Oh, this is in the shade medium, so this is perfect for me. Yeah, and I think we have one more item left, and this is by Nia 24. This is Sun Damage Prevention. This is an SPF. This is 100% mineral sunscreen with SPF of 30. This sunscreen will come in handy, and this is a mineral sunscreen. I think I've tried a mineral sunscreen before. Here you go right here. You have a nice mineral sunscreen. And I do have several products here by Nia 24. I really do love this brand. And this also has 5% of the pro-niacin, so it has niacinamide in here, which is really great for the skin. All right, so I am taking that this month's theme is things you use for the summer. You have sunscreen, you have a powder with sunscreen in here. I'm really excited about this one. You have the anti-freeze, you have the anti-frizz hair cream. My hair does frizz, so this will be great. Razor burns because we shave more in the summer. You have a nice lip balm right here. You have vitamin C serum to brighten up the face. Perfume, not my favorite, but most of all, you have this, my favorite scent. And this is great for the summer. I'm really digging this box. Yeah, I can swim in this. So I am thinking we got 2 full-size items this month. That is really nice. I'm going to go back, and if these are the full-size items, I'm going to list the price of them right here on the screen. And I know the rest are deluxe sample sizes or travel sizes, so this is a nice box. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.